Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Technology in 5 Minutes by MakerDemi. This is Nirmal and I am part of the instructor team at MakerDemi. OpenHAB is one of the most popular home automation platforms right now. In this video, we will look into the latest release, OpenHAB 3.0, and what makes it stand out from its previous versions. Check out our previous video on OpenHAB in the link provided in the video description. It explains the basic concepts of OpenHAB and how it plays a pivotal role in home automation. OpenHAB or Open Home Automation Bus is an open source home automation software written in JavaScript that began as a project in 2010. It is developed by one of the largest open source teams globally and has an active user community. A major highlight of OpenHAB would be its unified approach to integrate several smart devices and systems regardless of the manufacturer. It provides efficient solutions for home automation, lighting, heating, home entertainment, open protocols, and other special use cases like gaming and Tesla cars. There is official support for 314 add-ons and over 2500 things or smart devices. OpenHAB is also recognized as the best home automation platform by Alternative 2, a popular software recommendation website. Coming to the installation part, OpenHAB only requires a Java virtual machine that can be run on common platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or even single board computers like the Raspberry Pi. For serious home automation enthusiasts, a dedicated system is the best option. A Raspberry Pi 4 with 2 GB and a 16 GB microSD card can provide the optimal experience. In this case, the Pi can be set up with the OpenHABian image, a customized OS with support for OpenHAB ecosystem. The latest release, which is OpenHAB 3.0, has been released on the 21st December 2020. The code has been reworked and several functional improvements have been made to the 2.5 version, which was released a year ago. OpenHAB 2 was dependent on the version 1 compatibility layer and the installation methods differed for various bindings depending on the manufacturer or company. Bindings are nothing but software packages installed manually by the user, and their function is to translate commands to specific smart devices. The latest release addresses these issues as it removes the version 1 compatibility layer, and several bindings have been implemented again for OpenHAB 3.0. These add-ons or bindings are added regularly as more devices are integrated into the OpenHAB ecosystem. These are some of the changes made to the OpenHAB framework. The implementation is in Java 11, whereas version 2 was in Java 8. Upgraded libraries and the codebase have been made future-proof. Another important feature is the support for different rule scripting languages such as Groovy, Jython, and Blockly, apart from the default OpenHAB rule DSL and JavaScript. Without compromising its core functionality and flexibility, the developers have revamped the platform's interface that makes it user-friendly for beginners while improving upon the existing features. Now let us look into the new UI. OpenHAB 3.0 replaces the default paper UI with the new interface called Main UI that provides a seamless and hassle-free user experience across platforms. Semantic modeling is basically a method by which data is structured to be represented logically for specific applications. Though OpenHAB 2 had a machine learning based chatbot client called HABBot, OpenHAB 3 improves upon this by introducing a semantic model that predicts what our items represent, for example, locations such as office, home, etc. Such models are stacked in the form of cards that appear on the home page. OpenHAB 3.0 supports Blockly, which is an open source JavaScript library developed by Google. Blockly is similar to the programming language Scratch, by which we can write programs by assembling code blocks and simple drag and drop operations. A new feature called pages have been introduced. These are stylized ways of representing useful information in the form of widgets, charts, floor plans, and maps. Also, the UI has been translated to many languages as shown here. Though OpenHAB is providing support for critical fixes in the 2.5 builds, the developers are currently working on patches for version 3. Also, for OpenHAB 3.0, they will be developing a minor release every 6 months. Thus, even for beginners, it is better to get started with OpenHAB 3.0 as it is more user-friendly and flexible. That is all folks. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell to be updated about our future video releases.